Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the slope of the tangent. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this equation in here. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So first the derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First derivative of y to the power of 3, we have 3y squared, and first derivative of y, this one you got about 0 because that's about the constant. Next, I will put 2s go to the right, and later that we divide both sides by 3y squared, and we have negative number 2s over 3y squared. Now the next one, we need to find the value of y. So we put number 2 gone here, and we have about 2 squared plus y to the power of 3 equals to number 12. So I will put 2 squared on the right, and we got about 12 minus 4 because 2 squared is about number 4. This one you got about 8. So we put the cubic root for the both sides. So you got about y equals to the cubic root of number 8. That's about number 2. And now we can find about the value of the slope. That is about negative 1 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.